Well, it's the end of April, and we have a snow whiteout condition weather here. It's only about 0 degrees, but we have a big storm. Just started about 2 minutes ago. It's crazy. Crazy weather. Yeah, weather. It's just... Well, we're in Manitoba. That's what we get when you're in Manitoba. Crazy weather. April 22nd. A whiteout storm. A whiteout storm. God. Give me a break. What do you think, Thunder? You look pretty impressed. Poor guy. What's going on? Hey, what's going on? Hey? It's supposed to be warm out, not snowing. And believe it or not, tomorrow they're calling for a high of 8 degrees. And then 15 on next day after that. This is crazy. What do you think? Hey? Ain't crazy? Oh well. By this time next week, it'll be all gone. Oh well. Have a great day, everyone.